Just wait for another 2 minutes when they all join. Just another moment. Actually, जिनको भी struggle हो रहा था join करने के लिए, once they join and we will start. Okay, so let's start.
सर एक बार व्हाट्सएप देखो.
I hope you guys are able to see my screen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So yesterday we have yesterday we have discussed.
And your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Just a minute. Let me start speaking first. Okay. So see here. Now we are going to cover a types of noun. The first type of noun, two types of noun we will cover today, a proper noun and a common noun. Okay? We all will cover a proper and a common noun. So first we'll talk about a proper noun. Anybody is here who know what exactly the proper noun is? Anybody? Anybody is here who is aware of? Okay. Anybody is here who is aware of? Okay, kindly tell me what exactly the proper noun is. Let me check once. Yes, let them join. We'll start then. Okay, see, what exactly the proper noun? Very good, Hania. Proper noun is a name of a specific thing. Like just imagine I'm talking about, I have a pen. Pen is a common noun. But similarly, if I talk about like I have a pilot pen or I have a blue pen, black pen, so that comes under in a category of proper noun because I'm specifically talk about something. So when I'm specifically talk about something, I need to use a proper noun. I'll give you a few more examples. Before that, you just write these two definitions, the example of proper noun and the example of common noun. After that, I'll share some example and explain you entirely. First, please note down these examples in your copy. Write a heading, types of noun, and then first type of noun is proper noun, another is common noun. Example, I will give you together with the comparison. Yes, kindly write it. Proper noun. It is a word that is used to name a person, place, or thing in a specific. And then it's common noun. Once you're done with the writing part, kindly text me, then we will go forward. It is a word that is used to name a person, place, or thing in specific. Okay. Anybody else? Let me check once if someone is waiting or not. Okay, that's fine. Now you understand here. If I say I have a car, so I might have any car, right? But if I say I have a Pajero, or I can say I have a Alto, I can say I have a Creta. So if I individually talk about a name of the car, that will come under in a category of proper noun because I'm specifically talking about something. But if I only say I have a school, I am working in a school, I did not mention which school I am working for. If I mention the name of the school, like I am working in Delhi Public School, then only I need to use proper noun. Delhi Public School is a proper noun. School is a common noun. Because if I say school, you guys will confuse which school I am talking about. So it is important that we need to mention the name of the school. I say, boys, listen here. So any boy can listen me, right? But if I say, Rahil, listen to me. If I say Ryan, listen to me, then only that specific guy will listen, not in the entire class. So whenever we are talking about a specific thing, that comes under a category of proper noun. Whenever we are talking about a common thing, that will come under in a category of common noun. Okay, just a minute, I'm stop sharing my screen and I'll give you some examples. Okay, let's practice some of the examples here. You guys need to give me some examples of proper noun and common noun, like shirt. Which shirt? Any brand name? Blackberry shirt. Like shirt, a brand of the shirt, and a pant, a brand of the pant. A specific thing of that. So you need to give me an example of proper and a common noun. Sport, it should be cricket. Game, it should be Ludo. Anything we can frame. So proper and a common noun, both the example you need to give me. One example of proper noun and the other one is for common noun. Correct? Any other example? Just a minute, I'll start sharing my screen. I bide. See, in the place of bide, you need to write bought. Bide is not a correct word. Buy, bought, buying. So it should be BOUGHT. I bought a new laptop from Amazon. So laptop is a common noun here, but if you specifically talk about the brand of the laptop, that should be a common proper noun. I have a fast track watch. I played snake and ladder last time. I have a diamond ring. I have a diamond necklace. So when it comes to diamond, it is which kind of noun? In diamond also you can define. It's I want, not I wants. I want to play game. Game is a common noun. I have a diamond necklace and proper noun I have a okay. Now you can see these examples. The first example is common noun. Restaurant. Restaurant is a common noun because it is a common word. But if I specifically talk about any restaurant, like Shah's, like Pista House, any like specific name of the restaurant, then it will comes under in a category of proper noun burger. So this is the specific name of the restaurant. Whenever we are talking about the specific name of the restaurant, it should come under a category of proper noun. I can say chocolates. Chocolates will be a common noun because it is not defining a specific thing until or unless I don't mention. But if I mention a Dairy Milk chocolate or a specific name of the chocolate, then it becomes under in a category of proper noun. Sneakers will come under in a category of proper noun. The reason is sneaker is some specific thing which we are talking about. So chocolate is a noun, sneakers is a proper noun. Laptop. Just now one of you frame an example of laptop. If I say please give me my laptop, so just imagine there are 5 or 6 laptops were there. You don't know which laptop is mine, right? But if I mention the brand of the laptop, like MacBook, if I mention a brand, any other brand of the laptop or any other specific thing about my laptop, so then it will come under a category of proper noun. And the most important part you need to consider, whenever we are using proper noun, it is important it should start with the capital letter. हम जब भी प्रॉपर नाउन के बारे में बात करेंगे, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हम यहाँ पे कैपिटल लेटर से यूज करेंगे. इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टार्ट द इनिशियल वर्ड इन अ कैपिटल लेटर. Okay, one more thing, proper and common noun. Proper and common noun. So when it comes to proper noun, okay, when it comes to proper noun, it will, like, if I say pen and I can say pilot pen, example which I give you, pilot pen. So pilot pen will always start with capital P. The reason is it is a specific name of the thing. Car. Car is a common name. Even when you are writing in the middle of the spelling, you need to use car in the small letter. I'll give you an example here. Uh, okay. My voice is breaking for all of you. Am I audible or not? Am I audible or not? Okay. Okay, I'll try to speak slow. Here you can see, just now I have sent you an example. I have a pen. In this example, you can see pen I use in a small letter. Another example I have a pilot pen. You can see when it comes to pilot pen, P is a capital letter. Why I mention P in a capital letter? The reason is whenever we are talking about a proper noun, it should always start in a capital letter. जब भी हम कॉमन नाउन की बात करेंगे, चाहे वो सेंटेंस के बीच में ही क्यों ना हो, कॉमन नाउन हमेशा स्मॉल लेटर का होगा. जब भी हम प्रॉपर नाउन के बारे में बात करेंगे, वो सेंटेंस के बीच में ही क्यों ना हो, हमेशा हमारा प्रॉपर नाउन का वर्ड कैपिटल रहेगा, बिकॉज हम कोई स्पेसिफिक चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Is this clear for everyone? This time my voice was clear? Okay. So now अब मैं आपको कुछ examples दूंगी. Before that I just check कि कोई wait कर रहा है या नहीं. Okay. Now restaurant. Restaurant एक common noun है, because restaurant कोई भी हो सकता है. But if I mention the specific name of the restaurant, अगर मैं एक specific restaurant का नाम बता रही हूँ, जैसे कि शागोज एक स्पेसिफिक रेस्टोरेंट है हैदराबाद में, राइट? जैसे कि मैं बोल रही हूँ पिस्ता हाउस भी एक स्पेसिफिक रेस्टोरेंट है हैदराबाद में. सो कोई भी स्पेसिफिक रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में जब हम बात करेंगे तो वो होगा प्रॉपर नाउन. जब भी हम नॉर्मल बोलेंगे रेस्टोरेंट, अब रेस्टोरेंट बोलने से आपको नहीं पता चलेगा मैं किस रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, सो इसलिए वो आएगा कॉमन नाउन के अंडर में. चॉकलेट, सिमिलरली अगर मैं चॉकलेट बोल रही हूँ, आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा मैं किस चॉकलेट के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. But if I mention the specific name of the chocolate, then you will understand. Like Dairy Milk, like Sneakers, like anything, Munch, Kinder Joy. जब तक मैं कोई specific चीज mention नहीं करती, you will not get to know कि मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. अब आप दुकान गए चॉकलेट लेने. If you say, भैया आप मुझे चॉकलेट दे दीजिए, भैया kindly give me one chocolate. So वो आपको कोई भी चॉकलेट देगा. जब तक आप स्पेसिफिक नाम मेंशन नहीं करेंगे चॉकलेट, दैट स्पेसिफिक चॉकलेट, राइट? सो दैट इज द रीजन द स्पेसिफिक नेम ऑफ द चॉकलेट will always be an example of proper noun. Laptop. If I have 3 or 4 laptop, आपको नहीं पता कि आपको मुझे कौन सा लैपटॉप देना है, until or unless I did not mention the name of the laptop. Just a minute, someone is yes. कार कोई भी हो सकती है. If I mention the specific name of the car, then only it would be a proper noun. Like Creta, Audi. These kind of thing, if we are talking about, it should always comes under in a category of proper noun. And proper noun हमेशा capital letter से शुरू होगा. अगर मैं क्रेटा की बात कर रही हूँ तो क्रेटा का C capital होगा. पजेरो की बात कर रही हूँ कैपिटल होगा. कोई भी गाड़ी की बात कर रही हूँ स्पेसिफिक नेम, इट शुड ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद द कैपिटल लेटर. सूट की बात कर रहे हैं, सूट नॉर्मल है, बट अगर हम कोई ब्रांड का नाम बता रहे हैं या कोई स्पेसिफिक चीज का नाम बता रहे हैं, वी ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद द कैपिटल लेटर. अरमानी इज अ वेरी नोन ब्रांड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. तो हम जब कोई भी ब्रांड के बारे में बात करेंगे, चाहे ब्रांड नोन हो या अननोन हो, बट जब भी हम कोई ब्रांड के बारे में बात करेंगे, इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट दैट वी नीड टू यूज प्रॉपर नाउन. Now, subject, कोई भी subject हो सकता है. It would be physics, it would be chemistry, it would be science, biology, anything it would be. But when it comes to subject will comes under a category of common noun, and when it comes to a specific subject like mathematics, it will comes under in a category of proper noun. Lizard, lizard is a insect, so lizard will comes under in a category of proper noun, a common noun. अब मैं एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. कैट, कैट अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ एनिमल, एनिमल कॉमन नाउन हुआ. अब मैं एनिमल में बोल रही हूँ कैट, कैट हो गई प्रॉपर नाउन. अब मैं कैट बोल रही हूँ सिर्फ, तो कैट हुई प्रॉपर नाउन, कॉमन नाउन. अब मैं कैट में तरह तरह की चीजें बता रही हूँ. पर्शियन कैट होती है, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. अगर मैं पर्शियन कैट बोल रही हूँ तो वो प्रॉपर नाउन है. तो जरूरी नहीं है प्रॉपर नाउन हमेशा एक ही हो, प्रॉपर नाउन चेंज भी होगा. मैंने आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया था स्कूल का. स्कूल दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल. अब हैदराबाद में जस्ट इमेजिन हमारे पास 5 दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल्स हैं. तो दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल क्या हुआ, कॉमन हो गया. अब आपको बताना है दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल इन टोली चौकी, इन माधापुर, ऐसे करके आपको डिफाइन करना है. तो आपका जो प्रॉपर एंड कॉमन नाउन है काफी वक्त आपके सेंटेंस पे भी डिपेंड करता है. टॉय, एनी टॉय वी हैव. हम जो स्पेसिफिक नाम चुने दैट इज अ बारबी. यू कैन सी हियर whatever the example we have in a common nouns place, जो भी example हमारे पास common noun की जगह पे हैं वो सारे ही small letter से लिखे हैं. And whatever the example we have in the place of proper noun, all the examples are mentioned in a capital letter. Movie, कोई भी movie हो सकती है, but here they mention a Spider-Man. Any movie would be possible, कोई भी movie possible है. You can talk about your favorite movie which you like. Drink, कोई भी drink. It might be Pepsi, it might be Coca-Cola, it might be Mirinda, anything it might be. But अगर आप सिर्फ drink बोल रहे हैं, then it should be a common noun. But if you specifically talk about a proper content, it should be a proper noun. Singer, कोई भी singer. Here the example is Justin Bieber. But हमारे पास और भी बहुत singers हैं, like Sonu Nigam, like Arijit Singh. So we can talk anything, any one of them. It doesn't mean हमको वही specific singers के बारे में बात करना है. We can talk about any of the name, any of the singers. Okay. Now we'll move to the another example. Man, कोई भी man हो सकता है. जरूरी नहीं है कि जिसको हम जानते हैं. We only talk about that. Any guy we can talk about. Let me check if someone is waiting or not. No. Correct. Yes, you need to write in notebook, Shifa. It doesn't mean the example which I mentioned here, only those examples you need to write. आप रेस्टोरेंट की जगह पे नाम चेंज कर सकते हैं, आप चॉकलेट की जगह पे नाम चेंज कर सकते हैं. सब completely up to you. What are the thing you need to mention? Okay. अब यहाँ पे देखिए man. Just a minute. Somebody entered in the room. Okay. So you can see here man. Man might be anything. यहाँ पे दो नाम हैं. हम कोई भी नाम बोल सकते हैं. हम रयान भी बोल सकते हैं. हम like रमेश भी बोल सकते हैं. Any name we can choose here. It doesn't mean the specifically name which they mention that only we need to use. We always have one question, right? हमें हमेशा एक क्वेश्चन होता है कि जब हम सेंटेंस के बीच में कहाँ पे कैपिटल लिखेंगे, कहाँ पे स्मॉल लिखेंगे, और हम अपना नाम हमेशा कैपिटल से क्यों शुरू करेंगे? हम अपना नाम हमेशा कैपिटल से इसलिए शुरू करेंगे क्योंकि वो प्रॉपर नाउन है. इसका सिर्फ एक ही कॉन्सेप्ट है जो आपको याद रखना है कि अगर आपका सेंटेंस में वर्ड प्रॉपर है, it should be start with the capital letter. If the word in your sentence is starting with the small letter, it means it's a common noun. Mountain. We have a lot of mountains here. आप कोई भी एक स्पेसिफिक नाम ले सकते हैं माउंटेन का. माउंटेन तो कॉमन हो गया बिकॉज आप यहाँ पे कुछ बता नहीं रहे आप कौन से माउंटेन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. But if you are talking about the specific name of the mountain, like Mount Everest, it's a very famous and very known mountain, right? So if you are talking about any specific name of the mountain, definitely you have to use a name of that. State, any state. Like I can say Telangana is also one of the state. Um, Uttar Pradesh is also one of the state. Andhra Pradesh is also one of the states. So any state we are talking about, it doesn't mean if we are living in Hyderabad, we only need to talk about Telangana. State means state. Any state you can choose. Just a minute. Yes. Then ocean. As you all know, how many oceans we have, any one of that ocean you can talk about, that would be an example of proper noun. Arctic, Atlantic, Antarctic, any one of them you can choose, and that will comes under in a category of common noun, because we have only 5 ocean, and the name of that, it will be an example of proper noun. It doesn't mean always you need to put two examples there, but while maintaining the notes, one side you need to mention common noun and the other side you need to mention proper noun. In the place of proper noun, you need to mention two points, so that would be easy for you in the future to remember. Building, it might be any building. अब बहुत ऐसी बिल्डिंग होती है जिसके बारे में मैं भी अवेयर नहीं हूँ, जिसके बारे में आप भी अवेयर नहीं है. आप जिस घर पे रहते हैं वो भी एक बिल्डिंग है, उसका भी एक स्पेसिफिक नाम है. सो एनी बिल्डिंग, इट डजंट मीन बिल्डिंग बड़ी होनी चाहिए और सबको इसको जानना चाहिए. नो, एनी बिल्डिंग विच हैज अ नेम, you can call it as a building. Like I can say Royal Lagoon. So Royal Lagoon is one of the name of the building, right? So that is the reason I can use that. It might be you guys are not aware of. हो सकता है आपको नहीं पता हो, but anyhow ये एक building का name है. So building will comes under in a category of common noun, and proper noun it would be any specific name of the building. Cat, same एग्जाम्पल मैंने दिया था. अगर कैट की जगह पे एनिमल लिखा होता, मैं आपसे पूछती व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर नाउन, आप बोलते कैट, आप बोलते डॉग, आप कुछ भी एनिमल बोल सकते थे. बट इफ common noun is cat, then you need to talk about how exactly the cat is. Cat is fluffy or not. If it is a dog, we do have a multiple categories of dog. Then you need to talk about the categories of dog. Airline, a lot of airlines we have. So when it comes to airline, we can also use such words. Then कोई भी आप airline के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, like Northwest or Air Asia or Indigo. Many airlines we do have. So when you are talking about a common noun, it is important to mention the only name of the thing, which is general for everyone. And when it comes to a proper noun, you need to specifically decide a thing. Website, any website. Here they mention the name like English Grammar Revolution, but you can talk about any website. These examples we have already covered. Okay. So now nobody here. Let's move to practice some examples. Guys, this meeting will end up in 10 minutes. In this 10 minutes, we'll practice some of the example, and after that, we will cover the different portion. Okay, let's practice some examples here. Everyone need to give me one example of proper noun and the other example of common noun. And avoid giving me those examples which I have. अब्दुल, आपको मेरी आवाज बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही है? Kindly acknowledge, kindly text me. Okay, see here. अब आप सभी को मुझे एक एग्जाम्पल देना है प्रॉपर नाउन का, एक कॉमन नाउन का. आई हैव अ डेयरी मिल्क चॉकलेट. डेयरी मिल्क इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन, करेक्ट? अनदर एग्जाम्पल. See guys, the number of candidates is approx 23, right? I need examples from each one of you. I have a doll house. I have a bicycle. Very good. I have a 5-star chocolate. I have a SG bat. Correct. I am going to park. Correct. Here, this is a quite different example. I am going to park. Park is an example of common noun. But if you are specifically talk about which park you are talking, like Deccan Park, if you are talking about any specific name of the park, that will comes under in a category of proper noun. I have eat the Zoha, could you please rewrite your sentence again? I have I have earrings. Common noun. I have a Puma shoes. This will be a proper noun. I am playing a badminton. This you wanted to say? I am going to market. KET it should be. I have a fast track watch. I am going to Lakshadweep Island. I have a zipper bike. I am going to National Park. Okay. So badminton. Spelling it should be correct. I have a tea. I have a tea. I am going to city. Proper noun. I am going to Hyderabad city. Very good. I am going to Hyderabad. Okay. Now guys, try to frame a different example. अभी तक मैंने आपको जितने पढ़ा है जैसे कि सिटी स्टेट ये सारी चीजें राइट अब आप कुछ ऐसा एग्जाम्पल बनाइए जो मैंने अभी तक नहीं आपको मेंशन किया है an example of common and proper noun which I haven't taught you till now. I'm going to Hyderabad. Let me check if someone is waiting. No. Guys, in 6 minutes, this meeting will end up and you all need to rejoin again. I have a big banana tree, correct? If she only, Aisha, if she only mentioned I have a big tree, then it would be an example of common noun. But she mentioned which tree? Banana tree. So it should be a proper noun. I have a nice teaching, ma'am. Thank you. My sister is sending photos. Very good. My mother is cooking. I have a bullet bike. It should be a. B should be in capital letter. Very good. I went to museum. I went to Salarjung Museum. S should be capital letter, Hania, because you're talking about the specific name. My mother is cooking. Yes, my mother is cooking. What she is cooking, if you are mentioning the specific name, what she is cooking, then it would be an example of proper noun. I have my garden, so much flower. I have so much flower in my garden. But really a very good try. Garden is also an example of common noun, and if you are talking about a specific name of the garden, it should be a proper noun. Guys, please maintain a proper notes. I will check your notes on Monday. In my house, very much plant. In my house, we planted a lot of plant. This you can say, or in another way, you can say, I have a lot of plants in my house. I have a lot of plants in my house. My mother is cooking fish curry, correct? My grandma went to Makkah, correct? It should be grandmother because we cannot use even a single word in a semi-formal way. Everything should be in a formal. Paula is a good friend. Okay. Anybody has any doubt? इससी को भी कोई doubt है? They can ask me. I am here to clear that. You just make the note. I will tell you how exactly I'll correct it. You need to on your camera and you need to show me your notes. My mother went to my aunt's house, correct? Okay, guys, after this 2 minutes, once you all done with example, any doubt, any one of you ask me, I'm ready to hear that. And then we will cover some of the words. And I request you to all kindly rejoin quickly. Rahil, even my voice is breaking. We are studying, yes. Zaima, kindly give me one example of we are studying in a proper noun. आपने जो example बनाया common noun का था, that is absolutely correct example. Now I need another example with a proper noun. Okay, I come to online class. Okay, but if you are specifically mention the name of the subject, it would become a proper noun. Abdul, no, Muhammad. My voice is still breaking, or are you able to listen that? Actually, if only one and two people's for them my voice is breaking, it means it's a network issue. अगर आप सभी को मेरी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है देन वो मेरा नेटवर्क इश्यू है, बट अगर सिर्फ एक दो मेंबर्स को हो रही है तो उनका नेटवर्क इश्यू है. आप लोग एक बार रीजॉइन भी कर सकते हैं अगर दैट वुड बी द केस. Okay, guys, this meeting will be end up in few seconds, and we all need to rejoin as soon as possible. We are 25 participants here, and I want you all to rejoin as possible. Yes, in the same ID you need to join. Yes, sir. Same ID. I ordered laptop from Amazon. Correct. तो नेटवर्क इशू है. अगर सबके लिए वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है मतलब मेरा नेटवर्क इशू है. Okay, so we have many participants now. Now we will start our session. I mute each one of you. Okay, so now you can see here, we are going to start with the words, with the new words. So today the word we are going to use, we are learning a word that is gleaming. Gleaming. Gleaming means very shiny. Something which is very shiny, we generally use a word gleaming. Okay, nobody is here. Okay. When something is very shiny, we generally use a word gleaming. I can frame an example. I have a finger ring which is gleaming. It means I have a finger ring जो बहुत ज़्यादा चमक रही है. So anything we can use shining In the place of shining, we can definitely use a word gleaming. जैसे कि अब हम बोलते हैं ना आपका चेहरा चमक रहा है, एक्चुअल में नहीं होता, बट वो एक फीलिंग भी होती है बोलने के लिए. So we can say you are gleaming today. What's happened? Are you happy? Such examples we can also frame. So gleaming means the actual word is gleam. The sun is gleaming. Okay. The actual word is gleam. Now आपके sentence पे depend करता है you want to frame it as a gleamed or gleaming. So the sun is gleaming. Correct? Get two more examples here. Let me check if someone is waiting or not. No. My diamond rings is gleaming. My diamond rings. आपने rings बोला तो it should be are. My diamond rings are gleaming. Because it is more than one. The stone is gleaming. Aisha's gown is gleaming. Correct? Focus on your spellings, guys. The car is gleaming. I have a gleaming watch. Okay, my silver bracelet is gleaming. Very good, Rahil. This is again a very commonly using word that you can use while speaking. My hair. See, दो तरह के hair होते हैं हमारे पास. HEAR, HAIR तरह के होते हैं. Hair, HAIR and HEAR. जो हेयर आपने यूज किया है वो सुनने वाला हेयर है. HERE हेयर मीन्स आई एम हेयर, मतलब मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. फिर तीसरा हेयर होता है हमारे पास HAIR. इट मीन्स हमारा बाल. सो द हेयर विच यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट इज HAIR. I bought gleaming fish. Correct. My dress is gleaming. I have a gleaming ring. My watch is gleaming. Fatima, your hairs are gleaming. Hairs, HAIR. Hair. Hair itself a plural word. आप hair बस use करेंगे. Hairs नहीं होगा. The diamond stones are gleaming. Correct. Okay. Okay. Now we will use a different word that is toxic. Toxic we use in the place of poisonous. Toxic we generally use in the place of poisonous. कोई भी चीज जहरीली है, we generally use the word toxic. This medicine is toxic for your health. ये medicine आपके health के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. Bride is gleaming in her wedding. Okay. Toxic means poisonous. It means something which is जहरीला. कोई चीज अगर आपके लिए अच्छी नहीं है, आपके लिए बुरी है, हम वहां पे टॉक्सिक वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं. जरूरी नहीं है कि हम सिर्फ एनिमल्स के लिए या सिर्फ जहर के लिए यूज करें. वी डू हैव अ मल्टीपल यूसेज ऑफ दिस वर्ड. यस, द स्नेक इज वेरी टॉक्सिक. ओके. शी एट टॉक्सिक थिंग. आपको बताना है क्या? शी हैड एट टॉक्सिक थिंग इन द फूड. एंड जैसे कि कोई इंसान होता है जो बहुत बुरा होता है या दूसरों के साथ बुरा बर्ताव करता है, हम बोलते हैं उससे बच के रहना. सो हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं शी इज अ टॉक्सिक गर्ल. अवॉइड spending time with her. The apple is toxic. Okay. Correct example. The medicines likes toxic. नहीं, the medicine is toxic. Likes toxic नहीं होगा. The medicine is toxic. Can I get few more examples? This word's correct. Okay. So अभी तक जो हम बना रहे थे एक्चुअल पॉइजन के मीन से बना रहे थे. अब हम सिचुएशंस के बेसिस पे एग्जांपल्स बनाएंगे. Let's frame some examples in the place of situations. Let me check if someone is waiting or not. No. The mosquitoes are toxic. Very good. The groundwater is toxic. The factories are releasing toxic gases which is harmful to atmosphere. Very good example, Hania. The skeleton is toxic. Okay. So toxic word is again a word that we can use in our normal conversation. Let me check if someone is waiting, I guess. The ice cream is toxic. The fuel is toxic. Coronavirus is very toxic to stay at home. It is very toxic to stay at home in COVID-19, in coronavirus. It is very toxic to stay at home. आपका sentence का thought सही है, but a bit of formation has to be correct. Okay. Now we'll move to the another word. That is, we will cover a word now. Okay guys, please let me know कि हमने petrified word cover किया या नहीं. Do we have covered a word petrified? Anybody here who can like assist me for this? किसी को भी पता है हमने petrified word cover किया या नहीं? No? Okay. Petrified, it's very scary. Okay. When we are very scared about something, we need to use the word petrified. Whenever we are very scared about something, so we need to use the word petrified. Like, I am petrified while watching a horror movie. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है जब मैं horror movie देखती हूँ. So petrified, it means डर. I am petrified about my exams. I am petrified about my exams means मुझे अपने exams के लिए बहुत डर लग रहा है. I can say I am petrified about the weather. मुझे weather के लिए बहुत डर लग रहा है. I'm just framing a simple examples here. Yes, Zaima, this word is a synonym of petrified. Synonym means a word which has the same meaning. His anger is petrified for everyone. I am petrified for result. I'm petrified for results. I am petrified with my result. I am petrified for my result. आपका reason क्या है petrified होने का? आपका result. So it should be I am petrified for my result. अब मैं आपको थोड़े long examples देती हूँ petrified के. That would be easy for you, more easy for you to clarify. Like, it is a petrified situation for Indians these days. मतलब ये बहुत डरी हुई सिचुएशन है इंडियंस के लिए आजकल. क्या सिचुएशन है दैट आई डोंट मेंशन. मैंने वो मेंशन नहीं किया. I am petrified when I am seeing a movie. Okay, when I am watching the horror movie. I am very petrified for the study. Okay. फिरदौस आप अवॉइड करिए very यूज करना because हम petrified word use कर रहे हैं in the place of very scared, right? So again, very, it is not required. It is not incorrect, but it is better if we avoid using again and again the repetition of words. I am petrified from mama. Yes, Gulnaz, we all. A few more examples quickly. Let me check if someone is waiting. Yes, so bad. My battery is low, but my. Okay. Can I get few more examples quickly? With the reasons, no short examples. उबैद, अभी आ रही है आपको मेरी आवाज? But one by one, you need to unmute that. Tanish is petrified of dogs. I am petrified with Allah. Okay. Okay, Aisha and Mohammed and Rahil. For you three only, my voice is breaking. Please reconnect if that would be the case. I am petrified with my sir. It should be. I am petrified from snakes. Okay, Zaima. अभी भी clear नहीं है मेरी voice. India is petrified with China. Okay. I told you to unmute your call when you have a doubt.
Okay, ma'am.
I have always been petrified. I have always been petrified while being alone. Very good example, Hania. Yes. Azla. Yes, Azla. Tell me. Yes, guys, tell me your concern. So I think you were saying something, but I could not hear you. My voice is not coming. Ma'am, you are not audible. Okay, this example we need to frame. Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, you have to write in notebooks common noun and proper noun.
Yes, you need to write in your notebook proper noun and common noun with examples.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Table only.
Maintain a neat and clean notebooks.
Okay,
Table.
Okay.
I show it. Okay,
Ma'am,
I'll do one thing. I'll send the table to sir. He will send you in the group. Okay. Because in 2 minutes, what are the things you are going to write? You don't have time to write, right?
I will screenshot, ma'am.
From next time, you want screenshot? Okay.
Ma'am, your
Smart
voice
guy,
is
right?
breaking.
Okay. Take a screenshot, guy.
Take it, ma'am. Take it over.
Okay. And take this screenshot as well.
This also?
Done? Yes.
Take it, ma'am.
You should have multiple examples, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So may I know your name? A screenshot guy?
Ma'am, Ashik Ayan.
Could you please repeat it?
Sheikh Ayan.
Sheikh Ayan. Sheikh Ayan, your name in Zoom is different.
Ma'am, Sheikh Ayan. There is Sheikh Ayan.
Yes, I got it. Okay, guys. So you all need to maintain a proper notes, and if you have any doubts, kindly ask me for that. Ma'am, your voice is breaking. What thing you wanted me to repeat? Okay, I'll share the screinshot to sir. He will share you in the group. Then you will get to know about that. Okay, guys. So now I am winding up this session here, and see you all tomorrow at the same time.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye. Have a good day.